Hi, dear children. Good morning, all. Are you ready for today's class? Okay. Do you remember our school days? Can you tell our school time? Yes, our school time is 10 to 4. Do you remember? Yes, our school time is starting 10 up to 4. Today, let us discuss an activity based on this. Take your max text, page number 32. To school. Your school time. So, first write your school time. Right? Your school time is from 10 to 4. The second question is write this using AM and PM. How do we write it using AM and PM? Yes, we studied in the last class. Take the first time 10. That is in the morning section. That means before 12 noon. So we use AM here. That is 10 AM from 10 AM. Okay, to 4. 4 o'clock is after 12 noon. So we use PM. That is 10 AM to 4 PM. Okay, then next question is and using 24-hour clock. Now we want to write this time in 24-hour clock system. How can we do this? First, we want to convert 10 AM to 24-hour clock system. We all know we do not use AM or PM in 24-hour clock system. Okay, let us listen how to convert 10 AM to 24-hour clock system. Yes, we all know there is no change the time given in AM in 24-hour clock system. AMൽ തരുന്ന ടൈമിന് ഒരു ചേഞ്ചും വരത്തില്ല. എങ്ങോട്ടേക്ക് കൺവേർട്ട് ചെയ്യുമ്പം 24-hour clock സിസ്റ്റത്തിലേക്ക് കൺവേർട്ട് ചെയ്യുമ്പം. സോ 10 AM in 12-hour clock system converted to 24-hour clock system we get the time 10 hours. Okay, the next time school closing time 4 PM. How can we convert? Here PM. So we want to convert. How can we convert 4 PM to 24-hour clock system? Yes, 12 plus 4. Do you remember how to convert 12-hour clock system to 24-hour clock system? Yes, let us add the given time to 12. Here the given time is 4 PM. So we get the answer by adding 12 plus 4. What is the answer? 12 plus 4 is equal to 16. So the time in 24-hour clock system is 10 hours to 16 hours. Our next question is how many hours is your school time? Next we want to find the total hours you spend in school. How do we find the time? Yes, 10 to 4. Now I draw a line and mark the time from 10 to 4. 10, 11, 12. After 12, 1. This is 12-hour clock system. 2, 3 and 4. Now I draw a line for time from 10 to 4. Each part is 1 hour. That means 10 to 11, 1 hour. 11 to 12, 1 hour. 11 to 1, 1 hour. Time duration from 12 to 1, 1 hour. Time duration from 1 to 2, 1 hour. Time duration from 2 to 3, 1 hour. 3 to 4, 1 hour. That is here 1 hour. 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour. So the total time is 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 1, 6. So the time from 10 AM to 4 PM is 6 hours. Our next question is taking away the 2 intervals and the lunch break, how long is your study time? What is the question here? Taking away the 2 intervals and lunch break. Then ടു ഇൻ്റർവെൽസിനും ലഞ്ച് ബ്രേക്കിനുമുള്ള സമയം മാറ്റിയാൽ വാട്ട് ഈസ് ദ റിമൈനിങ് ടൈം? ദാറ്റ് മീൻസ് അവർ സ്റ്റഡി ടൈം. വി വാണ്ട് ടു ഫൈൻഡ് ദ സ്റ്റഡി ടൈം. Total 6 hours we are in school. Do you remember our interval time and lunch break time? Okay. Now we assume total 1 hour for lunch break and interval. Our total time in school is 6 hours. Time for lunch break and interval 1 hour. How can we find the study time? Yes, subtract 1 hour from 6 hours. What is the answer? 6 hours minus 1 hour? Yes, 5 hours. So our study time is 5 hours. Okay, let us look the next problem. Fair price shop. Can you see a shop here? Yes. What is the board here? Yes, working time. 8 in the morning till noon. 4 in the afternoon till 8 in the night. What is the question for us? Yes, for how many hours does this shop work? We want to find the working hours of this shop. Okay, now let us listen the working time of this shop. First section, 8 in the morning till noon. That means 8 a.m. to 12 noon. The next section is 4 in the afternoon till in the 8-9. That means 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. We want to find the total working hours. Okay, are you ready? First shift is from 8 a.m. to 12 noon. What is the total working time? Here I draw a timeline. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 8 to 9. 1 hour. 9 to 10, 1 hour. 10 to 11, 1 hour. 11 to 12, 1 hour. The total time from 8 to 12, 1 hour plus 1 hour plus 1 hour plus 1 hour. That is 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4 hour. That is from 8 a.m. to 12 noon. The total time is 4 hours. The next section is 4 in the afternoon till 8 in the night. That means 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. Can you say how many hours from 4 p.m. to 8 p.m.? Okay, draw a timeline. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 4 to 5, 1 hour. 5 to 6, 1 hour. 6 to 7, 1 hour. 7 to 8, 1 hour. The total time 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. So the time from 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. is also 4 hours. The total working time is 4 hours plus 4 hours. That is 8 hours. Next question is in the bank. The working time of this bank is given here. Monday to Friday 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. Saturday 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. First question is the bank is open for how many hours on a Saturday? Saturday la working time എഴുതുക. What about the other days? Also write the working hours of the remaining days. That is Monday to Friday. This is an exercise for you. Okay, let us look the next activity. Factory time. A factory works in 2 shifts. The first shift is from 6 a.m. to 2 p.m. with an interval of 45 minutes. The second shift is from 2 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. with an interval of 35 minutes. Here they say about the working time of a factory. First shift and second shift. First shift is from 6 a.m. to 2 p.m. and the second shift is from 2 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. First shift 6 a.m. to 2 p.m. Second shift 2 p.m. to 9:30. First question is total working time of the factory. We want to find the total working time of the factory from dash to dash. Okay, starting time and ending time of the factory working in a day. First shift 6 a.m. മുതൽ 2 p.m. വരെ. The second shift is started from that 2 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. There is no gap. So, the working time is 6 a.m. to 9:30 p.m. Okay, the second question is in 24-hour clock, this is we want to convert 6 a.m. and 9:30 p.m. to 24-hour clock system. 6 a.m. We know there is no change the time given in a.m. in 24-hour clock system. So the time is 6 hours. Okay, next 9:30 p.m. Here p.m. So we want to convert that. How can we convert? Yes, we can add the given time to 12. Here the time is 9:30. We want to add this time to 12. Here we add only 9 plus 12. What is the answer? 9 plus 12? 21. So answer is 21 hours 30 minutes. So in 24-hour clock the time is 6 to 21:30. How many hours does the factory work in a day? Okay, we want to find this in two shifts. The first shift is from 6 a.m. to 2 p.m. How many hours? 6 a.m. to 2 p.m. 6 a.m. to 2 p.m. Okay, 6 to 7, 1 hour, 7 to 8, 1 hour, 8 to 9, 1 hour, 9 to 10, 1 hour, 10 to 11, 1 hour, 11 to 12, 1 hour, 12 to 1, 1 hour, 1 to 2, 1 hour. So the total working time in the first shift is 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 hours. First shift 8 hours. കണ്ടുപിടിച്ചു 6 a.m. to 2 p.m. ഇതിനു മുമ്പ് ഇതെല്ലാം AM ആഫ്റ്റർ 12 noon PM 1 PM ഇത് 2 PM. The remaining are AM. 6 a.m. to 2 p.m. How many hours? 8 hours. The next one is second shift. Second shift is from 2 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. 2 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. 2 to 3 1 hour, 3 to 4 1 hour, 4 to 5 1 hour, 5 to 6 1 hour, 6 to 7 1 hour, 7 hours to 8 hours 1 hour, 8 hours to 9 hours 1 hour. What is the working time? 2 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. Here 9. Where 9:30 comes? Yes, between 9 and 10. That is 30 minutes. Okay. So only 30 minutes. How many hours? 1 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 hours and 30 minutes. 9:30. So 9 to 9:30. How many? What is the time duration? Yes, only 30 minutes. That means 2 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. 7 hours 30 minutes. Okay. How many hours does the factory work in a day? First shift 8 hours and the second shift 7 hours 30 minutes. So we add these two. We get the total working time. 8 hours plus 7 30 hours. That means 8 plus 7 15. 15 hours 30 minutes. 8 hours plus 7:30 ആണ്. അതുകൊണ്ട് 8 hours-ഉം 7 hours-ഓടെ കൂട്ടിയിട്ട് plus 30 minutes. That means 15 hours 30 minutes. Okay, the next question is how do we write in AM or PM from the time the factory does not work? What is the question here? The factory does not work. Now we find the working time. What is the working time? Yes, 6 a.m. to 9:30 p.m. Okay, then say the time the factory does not work. 6 AM to 9:30 PM ഫാക്ടറി വർക്ക് ചെയ്യുകയാണ്. സോ വർക്ക് ചെയ്യാത്ത ടൈം ഏതാണ്? യെസ്, 9:30 PM to 6 AM. So the answer is from 9:30 PM to 6 AM. Next question is, how many hours of work in each shift? We also find this first shift. Yes, 6 AM to 2 PM. How many hours? 8 hours. Second shift is from 2 PM to 9:30 PM. Time duration 7 hours 30 minutes. Okay, the next question. Taking away the intervals, how many hours of actual work? Okay, look, the first shift. First shift take 8 hours. Interval time is 45 minutes. Interval time കുറയ്ക്കണം. 8 hours-ൽ നിന്നും 45 minutes കുറച്ചാൽ what is the remaining time? 8 hours-ൽ നിന്നും 45 minutes കുറച്ചാൽ the time is 7 hours 15 minutes. ഫസ്റ്റ് ഷിഫ്റ്റിലെ വർക്കിംഗ് ടൈം 7 hours 15 minutes. Like this, the working time in second shift 7 hours 30 minutes. What is the interval time in the second shift? 35 minutes. The total time in the second shift is 7 hours 30 minutes. In that time, 35 minutes is interval. So, how can we find the working time? Yes, by subtracting 35 minutes from 7 hours 30 minutes. 7 hours 30 minutes-ൽ നിന്നും 35 minutes കുറയ്ക്കണം. 30 minutes കുറയ്ക്കുമ്പോൾ എന്താവും? 7. Then, the remaining time is 5 minutes. Okay. 7-ൽ നിന്ന് 5 minutes കൂടെ കുറയ്ക്കുമ്പോൾ 6 hours 55 minutes. So, when we subtract 35 minutes from 7 hours 30 minutes, we get the answer 6 hours 55 minutes. That is the working time in second shift. The last question is, which shift work longer? Can you say? Yes, the first shift work longer. Okay dears, write all these questions in your Max notebook. See you in the next class.